welcome back to Junk Funk. So today I'm doing DIY Nutella charms. So this is a sneak peek to it, and I'll also make these cute Nutella badges. You can attach these to your t-shirts, to your bags, wherever you want. And whoever is a Nutella lover, I think will like this video. And this video also contains a giveaway, and everything about the giveaway is in the video and at the end of the video. So keep watching the video and stay tuned, because I have all the regulations and the competition details at the end. So let's start. So to begin with, take the safety pin or any pointed object and make a hole on the cap of the empty paint bottle. Now I'm taking the eye pin, which is like this, and you can get it in any craft store or any jewelry making store. Now using plier, just fold it in circular motion so that it is fit over there like this. And now I'm again putting the cap on. Now I'm using the dark brown color here. It's an acrylic paint here, and if you don't get this, you can mix black with brown and just fill it in the bottle. You can add a bit of water to make it a bit flowy, and paint it inside the bottle to make it Nutella like. Now I have printed out Nutella label here. I'll link it down below. Now just trim it to the size of the bottle. You can refer to the original Nutella bottle if you want. Now I'm trimming off the edges from the sides like this. Now just take the white packing tape and just keep the Nutella portion on the tape like this, as shown here. This gives the label protection, and also it gives it as a sticker kind of thing. I have just left few edges of the tape so that it can stick to the bottle, as shown here. Now the charm is ready. You can make it into a keychain also. I am making it in a necklace kind of thing. So I am taking threads. If you want, you can take an old chain also to attach. So I am taking a thread and I'll braid it, and it's an optional step. If you want to skip, you can skip or add any thing to it, to the charm. So just braid it so it gives a good definition to the string. And when you're done, the size will be just double to the length you want it around your neck. And now I'm just tying a knot at both, combining both the ends of the string like this. Now I've not shown it very clearly here. I have attached a ring onto the eye pin, and to that I have added the string as well, and I have just fixed it with a plier. And I opened the cap again, and I just added a glue so that my cap and my bottle is sealed from inside properly, so that the paint does not leak in future. Like this, I've added a tassel to the end also. Now this is the final look of my Nutella charm. Now to make Nutella badges, you will need a printed Nutella bottle picture, a cardboard safety pin, tape. Now just take a glue stick, apply it on the back of the Nutella printed thing, and stick it on the cardboard like this. Now just cut it using a pair of scissors. I'm just leaving a white border around the picture here. And after this, you can just seal it with a tape if you want. It's an optional step. It will just give a lamination to it. And take a safety pin according to the size of your badge. Now take a tape and stick it like this, and then the badge is completed and we are done here. and so I made one more, a bigger version of the badge using the same procedure. So this is a sneak peek to it. So this is the final, these are my final products, Nutella charm and the Nutella badge. So I really hope you like this video. Now to start with the most awaited part, giveaways, which means free gifts. So my giveaway partner is the Papery. They have the page on Instagram. So these are the products here displayed here, made by Papery and Junk Funk, that's me, which I'll be giving on my giveaway. To participate, you have to check all the rules I have mentioned on the description box below. I really hope you take part in the giveaway, and it's very important to subscribe to Junk Funk and follow Junk Funk and the Papery on Instagram. All the rest description in the description box below. And if you really like my video, do hit like, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to Junk Funk. And if you want to see anything else, comment down below. I'll try to make those things for you. And you can watch my last video and other videos here, and you can follow me on social medias on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And you can tag me on my social media if you remake any of my products. And the giveaway gifts will be announced after a week, because this competition will be running for a week till 17th of September. After that, we are not going to accept anyone's entry. Till then, bye bye.